If you're watching this video, you're probably having a little trouble with these percentages, so I'm going to go straight up to the proportion that could help you. So I have is over of equals percent over 100. So if you fill this out for these problems, you should be okay. So what number is 60% of 566? What number is the thing we're looking for. So that's top left. I don't know what that is. The of number is the bottom left, so that'd be 566 because it's right next to the word of. And then you can see we have 60%. Well, in the proportion, we want to put in the 60, not the 0.6 when we work with these proportions. Okay, so now I got this proportion that I'm going to cross multiply, and as you can see, I'm going to get 100x equals 566 times 60. Okay, so basically when we do that, we just type in our calculator. Oh, hold on, get this going. All right, so 566 times 60, and we get our answer of 33,960. And then we're going to divide that by 100 to both sides. That's really just going to move the decimal place over. You can fire it in your calculator, but it's 339.6, which makes sense because we're looking for a 60% of a very large number. So that's going to be also a large number, but smaller than 566. All right, next one now. 60 is what percentage of 12? 60 is. Now we know the top left, 60, and we still know the 12. So we can put in the 12 there, but we're actually asked for the percentage, so we put the x over hundo. So now when I cross multiply, I've got my 12x equivalent to 6 with 3 zeros, 6,000. So I divide both sides by 12. And how many times does 12 go into 6,000? That would be how many times? So again, I just want you to make sure that you're comfy with this. We take 6,000 and we divide by 12. That's essentially all we need to do. Now this answer right here is a percentage. It's not a decimal, because in the formula here, we have the percentage in the top right already as a percentage, not as a decimal. And that's going to be different when we do the equations. That's 500. All right, last one here, we have 88 is, so we're going to put that in the top left. 88 is, and we also know the percentage, 15, but we don't know what that is of. The of what number goes here. So that would be over a hundo. We multiply 15x equals 8,800. All right, so now all we're left to do is take 8,800 and divide by the 15, and we get ourselves that. Ooh, I don't like that, so I want to actually look and make that an exact number. So what I can actually do, it's different on the screen, but I can hit enter here. When you hit control, enter, it comes out to 586.67 approximately rounded. One thing I didn't say on the last one, number 3, this is a percentage here, so we should put that on there. And also this makes sense that it's over 100 because 60 was bigger than 12, okay, by 5 times, 500% bigger. Hope that helped.